How to never get seized on Pandabuy. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can never get seized on Pandabuy. Okay, now I want you to know that to minimize the risks of your purchases getting seized or encountering customs issues when using Pandabuy or any similar international shopping platforms, you have to follow the tips or the steps that I would be saying in this video. So the first thing you must note is that you should research your import regulations. This means that understand the import regulations and restrictions of your country, including permissible item types, quantities, and values. Compare with these regulations when making purchases. That is the first thing. And second thing is that you should avoid prohibited items. Now, you'll be able to avoid prohibited items if you properly research import regulation, because importing things online varies depending on the type of or the country you're staying, depending on your region. Then you can also ensure accurate product descriptions. Ensure the product descriptions provided by the seller are accurate and match the actual product to avoid any discrepancies during custom checks. Okay. Also, ensure you provide accurate and complete shipping information to avoid delays or customs or issues in customs processing. Then also ensure you understand custom fees, monitor your shipment, and lastly, ensure you declare your product well. Yes, if you do not declare your products well, your goods might be seized because it will be assumed that you are not the owner of the product, or you do not follow the required import regulations. So these are the ways whereby you can avoid getting seized, or you would never get seized on Pandabuy. Thanks for watching.